Got a new groove and I call it futuristic. Zoom to the doom and I noose the suicide rope. This is the cost of being so dope. Speaking it and eating it, this life, it ain't no joke. I'm stressed, then he pointed the gun. Now I'm feeling relieved once it has spoke. It's gonna be okay, it's gonna be alright. If you knew me, you'd know I'm always putting up a fight. I got a cloud in mind and I'm running out of time. Every second is a nickel, every minute is a dime. Just like every thug is about committing crime. Just like every white boy thinks they can drop a mixtape better than mine. Every day I'm living life like it was meant to be. I'm an inspiration like a fucking prophecy. The flow is so mad it's like it was meant to be. Leading hierarchy, honey's digging me like it's fucking archaeology. Poof. Then I reappear again and I said I'm a fucking rhythmatician, solving lyrical equations in my head. Poof, and I disappeared again. Higher than the heavens and deeper than the seven seas, and this song will never end. My mind likes to bend, dosed and lost grip of reality. What is really happening? I don't intend to be obscene, but sometimes I just wanna break shit and fucking scream. But just know this isn't a fucking dream, no matter how lucid or vivid it seems to be. I have skin knees and cigarette burns in my skinny jeans, but that doesn't mean I don't live like a king. I'm a punk, I don't fuck with bling bling. I don't have dollar signs dangling from me. I don't need money to be a real OG. I just have fun and look out for my homies. But shit, I made a couple thou wardrobe featuring nothing but packs on and zoomies. And my crews, I'm hella fly, and that's what my crew thinks, and the respect is all I ever need. Then when all those who ever doubted me tune in and see that I'm making history, they'll come back to me. Try and be fake and apologize to me. I'll laugh and continue to do me. If you don't like it, sue me. Should've stuck around when we were kids, but you outgrew me. I'm lightheaded like a feather from the weight of the world's love. Then poof, I'm hovering, I'm fucking high. I've always wanted to soar in the sky. Chronic kept me up and away, and all I can do is listen to the music and sway. Yeah, I do it my way, riding the clouds like tidal waves. I need to behave, I need to behave, I need to behave.